It's Cathy Cat. Today we're going to open this Lucky Bag from Listen Flavor. The Listen Flavor Lucky Bags every year have been good. This one here came at 11,000 yen, which is 11,000 yen. So let's open it together. Let's unpack the Lucky Bag. So some items you kind of know what you're getting, and some are surprise. Sprinkle Crinkle number 1. Ooh, okay. Da, 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 da. First of all, F size means free size. Oh my gosh, it is big. I think they're aiming more and more for the foreign market. So we have Creepy Horror Bear. It's been a very popular pattern. You can see actually like the Creepy Bear pattern has recently been in so many different brands, so many different stores have been using it, and a lot of people have been wearing it. So I think they're trying to tap into that trend. What's really nice is the sleeves here have a pattern on it as well, so it's not just a boring sleeve. This is the very first time they actually did a two-tone thing, meaning they actually have the color split in the middle, which I think is cool. Before that, it was just usually a black shirt and then some print on it, or a pastel-y one. They're moving further away from the pastels. 2 years ago, they had a lot more pastels. Next one! I was looking forward to this one. It's a cat parfait. The print feels really sturdy, so I think this one looks like it's... Yeah, it also can manage with a little bit of stretch. They claim that this t-shirt is, including tax, 5,390 yen already. The only unfortunate thing is that I got the black one of these ones. They actually had 2 more pastel color variations, but you didn't know which one you're gonna get. Oh, pastel, please, pastel, please. With these ones, we already got the price for the Lucky Bag back in. So the third item was this one here, the big sweater. It says High Moon, and it has a moon castle on it. A bit of a moon castle. So at least they moved a little bit away from the bear and the cat theme, because they had a big bear on the one from last year. But it is a big cozy size, and to be honest, girls like me can wear it as dresses, because that's what I did. It looks a little bit metal.
Hold on, this Lucky Bag has been sponsored by the Devil Tamer family of the Devil Spawn, and Ken, the Devil Tamer, and Vina. In a power combo, they've sponsored this Lucky Bag, and I think with the whole metalness, it's very fitting. It's very fitting, right? Thank you, Ken and Vina.
It says 2 more tops and 1 accessory, and these ones are a surprise. So let's open. Oh! Oh no! What no? Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this comes from the Magica Record collab. This is definitely a collab item. Oh my god, this is huge. It has the magical girl theme, which I do love. Oh my god, this is another dress. If you guys know what collab item this is, then please let me know in the comments. I would like to know. Next one, final top of the day. I got another sweater? No way. Ooh, okay, it says defective. Not detective, it's defective. Defective! It has little hoops here on the side. That's kind of cool. They kind of jingle. Jingly hoops! Ow, ow. I slapped myself in the face with a tag, which is priced at 8,900. Not bad. Ooh, I'm so glad I got at least one item that is pastel in here. I'm so glad. Oh, okay, that's a big one. Oh, yes! It's a can badge from Kotoko from Danganronpa. Favorite item of the bag is actually this one, because it's a little bit more brighter and pastel-y in me, but the other items are pretty cool too. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, this is always an awesome Lucky Bag, but this one here is also one of those Japanese fashion Lucky Bags that you should definitely check out if you love Japanese fashion and the thrill of Lucky Bags. This one, I got you covered. I got you covered. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for subscribing.